How to fix Steam no connection error. So what we're going to do is we're going to open our Steam. Then click on Steam on the laptop left side and click on settings over here. If you click on settings, you should then be able to find the download option over here on the left side. Simply click on the download option. And now over here, simply ensure that your download region is correctly set to your location, whether the correct country and the correct city, because that will greatly help with your connectivity with Steam. Also ensure that you do not have limit download speed over here. After that, clear your download cache as well to have some reset or to clear up your Steam, as you can see. So you will need to log into Steam again after you do this, but doing this will allow you to remove any cache or any issues underlying with your Steam and your game. Aside from that, what we could do is we could open our file location over here. Then you're going to click on right click and click on properties. It will be our properties over here. You're going to click on compatibility and you're going to click on run this program as an administrator. After this, you're just simply going to click on apply and click on OK. Why do we need to do this? Because this will allow our Steam to ensure that it will be able to get all the resources it needs to run our system. Now, aside from that, what we could do also is we could open our taskbar and we're going to go over here on our apps. We're going to look for our Steam. Then click on right click, properties, that's the same thing. We're going to go for Steam in details. Click on right click, click on set priority and click on high. By doing this, it means that your computer will prioritize your Steam when it comes to allocation of resources. So an example is the internet, of course. So if there are other apps that could be eating up your internet, not allowing your Steam to get what it needs, and you can just set it up as high over here, allowing it to have high priority when it comes to resource allocation. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.